Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and this is your EMZKIE25 TV. So guys, for this video, I'm just going to share to you my experience when I went to Huawei Repair Center, Customer Service Center here in Cebu. I'm just going to share to you guys kung ano yung mga pangyayaring yun, yung lokasyon, kung anong itsura ng lokasyon, and how many days I had to wait before ko man nakuha to, and then the rates, the service nila kung 1 to 10 ba. And then, yeah. So, for this video guys, you're going to just hear my opinion about basing on my experience. And, let's go. So, ayun na nga guys, ay may problema talaga yung battery ng common sa Nova 3i guys. Proven and tested yan guys. Because, yung mga friends ko, nagsabay-sabay kaming bumili kami ng 4 na phone na ganito yung model. Wala lang, trip lang namin. Tapos, out of 4 guys, 3 po yung nag-bloat yung battery. So, yung mga friends ko, they have it fixed somewhere, yung hindi talaga sa repair center. So, I want to experience it myself rather, kung ano yung service nila, para ma-review na din natin, makapag-share na din tayo ng review, kung ma-recommend ba natin yung service na binibigay nila. Kasi, I was advised to just go somewhere, kasi may dito sa Cebu guys, kung taga Cebu ka, alam mo na yun kung saan yung lugar na mas cheaper yung price to have your phone fixed. But, kasi ako, I was just not so sure about doing that. At hindi ko din alam yung place. Ayun lang talaga. So, I decided to go to the repair center or the customer service center sa Cebu ng Huawei talaga. Like yung office talaga ng Huawei. And then, my first complaint was, the battery is bloated. So, when they checked the phone, guys, yung chinek na nila yung phone, I was already informed na baka some of the functions will be affected daw. Kasi, yung parang merong string daw sa loob na nakaka-affect ng volume, or pag super bloated na talaga yung battery is maapektuhan talaga yung ibang function doon sa loob. So, advice din, pag na-notice nyo guys yung phone nyo is bloated na yung battery, wag nyo pong hintayin. Like me, hinintay ko talaga siya na hindi na siya mag-charge. Hinayaan ko siya mag-bloat. Buti hindi siya sumabo guys. But yeah, yun na. Nag-stop lang siya na hindi na siya nag-charge. So yun. Wag nyo pong hintayin na super bloated na yung battery bago nyo i-replace, kasi some of the functions will be affected as well. So yun po. Now, I think nakuha ko siya on the same day. So, pumunta ako doon ng around 9. Tapos, nakuha ko siya around 4 p.m. on the same day. So, pagkakuha ko nito guys, ito lang yung experience ko. Pagkakuha ko nito, hindi ko na siya tinest because I was in a hurry kasi may work din ako on that day. I just believe them na okay na ang lahat. Kasi I was thinking na i-check nila lahat ng functions, like magko-call or magpe-play na music, kaysa yung battery lang yung i-check nila kung mag-charge pa o hindi. So yun, when I arrived home, hindi ko pa siya ginamit. Hinayaan ko siyang mag-drain. So, nung nag-empty na siya, chinarge ko siya. Nag-charge siya, hindi siya na full guys. Not until 5 hours something. So, sabi ko, I think it's not normal. So, trinay ko ulit, i-charge siya. Kasi baka something sa charger na gamit natin. So, gumamit tayo ng another charger. So, yun. Same pa rin yung nangyari. Hindi pa rin siya nag-charge, not until 5 hours something. So, sabi ko, I think it's too long to wait for the battery to full charge this phone. Kasi usually, 2 hours lang talaga yung charge ko guys. 2 hours. Na-full na po yung battery natin. So, I find it so unusual. Kaya binalik ko dun sa kanila. And another thing na na-notice ko is wala siyang sound pag ako yung like I'm on the call. Pag nasa call ako, wala akong naririnig sa kabilang line. But you can, the other line will be able to hear me. Like nadidinig nila ako, but hindi ko sila nadidinig. So that's the second problem that I got nung bumalik to sa akin. So the next I think Monday, so Friday ko siya nakuha, so tinest ko siya ng tinest Saturday, Sunday bago ko siya binalik kasi chinek ko talaga baka may something wrong sa end ko din, like yung charger na ginagamit natin. So, tumawag pa ako ng ibang tao and then confirm talaga na there's something wrong with me hearing the people on the other line, pero walang problema yung the other line kasi naririnig ako. So yun, I decided to return this. Sa pagka-Monday, binalik ko to doon sa service center. Now, ang una kong nabayaran is I think mga 600 yata or 800 para sa battery. Or 700. I think 700 something guys para sa battery. Tapos ayun, chinek ko kung nasa akin pa yung receipt kaso hindi ko na makita yung receipt. So, I think mga 600 to 700 something yung nabayaran ko guys sa first repair sa battery yun. And then next pagbalik ko sa phone ko, pagbalik ko nito sa repair center, hindi na ako pinabayad ng service. Tapos, yung nakuha ko to, I think na lang yung binayaran ko, 200? Yeah, 200. Para sa, dito, sa charging port, dito sa charging port, parang may binago daw sila sa loob kasi it's something to do daw with the charging port. And then yung yun na nga yung pagsabi na sa akin at first na pumunta ako doon na there's a possibility nga yung maapektuhan yung mga tones and some other stuff sa loob, especially if the battery is so bloated, which is the same case sa ating sa cellphone natin. So ayun na guys, so yung total entire na gastos natin sa pag-repair lang nito is less than 1,000 po. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, less than 1,000. Dalawang beses ako pumunta doon. And then was it fast? Yes, it was fast. Ang concern ko lang is yung pangalawang balik ko doon, sa record nila is this was released sa brother ko. Name ng brother ko ang nag-claim. So question ko yun because sabi ko, ako naman yung nagkuha ng item. And my brother is at Negros. Hindi siya pumunta dito sa Cebu. Then, how come na, alam niyo yung, parang, it's so weird kasi alam nila na yun ang pangalan. Nakalagay talaga doon ang pangalan ng brother ko. So, that was just so weird. Yun lang talaga. It was so weird. Kaya sabi ko, that's the weirdest thing ever. Kasi, hindi talaga, ako talaga yung pumunta dito para kunin yung item. Kahit i-review pa yung CCTV nyo on that day. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung concern ko. But some other stuff, the service is great. The place is great. And then, the waiting time is fair. Hindi ka talaga, kahit dalawa lang sila doon na nag-entertain, they're fast. They're fast. And then, sometimes, even if I notice also na even if they get annoying questions, they remain their composure guys. Yun lang masasabi ko guys, kahit parang they're too tired na kasi na-witness ko din doon yung parang andun ka lang tapos kahit ang kulit-kulit na ng customer is hindi nag-change yung voice nila. So, ayun lang doon, kudo sa dalawang babae na mga madams natin na nag-entertain. And then, everything is, guys, yung location is very clean at saka nakaka-relax din. And then, meron silang mga yung socket para in case you need to charge something, meron silang ganun. So, pwede mo ma-charge yung mo doon, cellphone. Kasi yung upuan nila is parang nasa airport na sa may gilid may socket para pwede kang mag-charge. Yun. And, so far guys, service, I think 9 kasi I was expecting kasi na they're already aware that there are some features that will be affected. So, I was expecting na they're going to check it before they're going to confirm it to me that I can get the item, that it's working fine. So, yun lang. Kaya 9. I'm very generous, guys, because they're all great. That was just not the only problem. I'm the one with the record, yung record na bakit naman dun sa sale. But overall, rate is 9. And then, ang masasabi ko lang is, I think next time, dapat talaga, as a technician, they will have to check, especially if they're already aware, na ito yung mga possible features na, ito yung mga possible features na maapektuhan. They will have to check it before they will call the owner that, yeah, you can get it, and then it's fixed, and then the next day, babalikan na naman and everything. So, diba? Kung ganyan yung style nila, it will be convenient sa owner nila, convenient sa owner at convenient na din sa kanila na hindi dadami yung magpupunta at mag-uwi doon. So yun guys, so thank you for watching, and I'd like to shout out to all my super chatters and sponsors. Thank you so much for your support guys, and to all who always watch my videos at nag-attend ng live stream natin guys, thank you so much. So that's it for today. This is your EMZKIE25 TV guys. Bye!